Hello everyone, myself Nikhil from Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. Today I'll be discussing on the subject Introduction to Mechanical Engineering, and the topic is working of the hybrid vehicles. The hybrid vehicles. A hybrid vehicle is one that uses two or more distinct types of power, such as submarines that use diesel when surfaced and batteries when submerged. Other means to store energy include pressurized fluid in the hydraulic hybrids. Hybrid powertrains are designed to switch from one power source to another to maximize the both fuel efficiency as well as energy efficiency. In hybrid electric vehicles, for instance, the electric motor is more efficient at producing a torque or turning power, while the combustion engine is better for the maintaining high speed, improved efficiency, lower emissions, and reduced running cost. Related to the non-hybrid vehicles are the three primary benefits of the hybridization. How does the hybrid vehicles work? The hybrid vehicles, in short form HEV, combine the advantages of gasoline engines and electric motors. The key areas for efficiency or performance gains are regenerative braking, dual power sources, and less idling. We will now discuss the first one, that is regenerative braking. The electric motor normally converts electricity into physical motion used in reverse as a generator. It can also convert the physical motion into the electricity. This both slows the car and recharges the batteries. Second one is the dual power. Power can come from the either the engine, motor, or both, depending on the driving circumstance. Additional power to assist the engine in accelerating or climbing might be provided by the electric motor, or more commonly, a smaller electric motor provides all of the power for low speed driving conditions and is augmented by the engine at higher speeds. See, automatic start or shut off. It automatically shuts off the engine when the vehicle comes to a stop and restarts it when the accelerator is pressed down. This automation is much simpler with an electric motor. Also see dual power above. The next topic is there are two types of the hybrid vehicles, that is a series hybrid and a parallel hybrid. First one we'll discuss the series hybrid. A series hybrid system consists of an engine, a generator, a motor, controller, an electric motor, and a power battery. Its working principle is that the engine drives the generator to generate electricity, and the generated electric energy is supplied to the motor through the motor controller, and then the motor is converted into the kinetic energy to drive the vehicle. The power battery adjusts the electric energy generated by the generator and the electric energy required by the electric motor, thereby ensuring the power demand of the vehicle under the various driving conditions. The characteristics of the series hybrid system is that the power coupling is realized by the electrical means, and the motor control is also power coupler. Second one is the parallel hybrid. Parallel hybrid system consists of an engine, a transmission, a motor controller, and a power battery. When the motor cannot only provide power output for the vehicle, but also acts as a generator. A vehicle using a parallel hybrid system has two independent driving systems, namely an engine drive system and a motor drive system. The driving force of a vehicle is supplied by the engine and the motor at the same time or separately. The two sets of the power system can work in harmony at the same time or work independently to drive the car. When the two power systems work at the same time, the power coupling is realized mechanically and the power flow is parallel. So it is called as a parallel hybrid power system. Next, we will discuss the advantages of the hybrid vehicle. First one is the environment friendly. The main reason is environment friendly. So everyone wants to buy this car or the vehicles, hybrid vehicles. The hybrid vehicle runs on a twin powered engine that cuts the fuel consumption and conserves the energy. Sure, it still uses the gasoline, but the amount it needs to operate is significantly reduced. Second one is the financial benefits. Hybrid cars are supported by many credits and incentives that help make them affordable. Lower annual tax bills and exemption from the congestion charges make running these cars generally cheaper than the pure gasoline powered counterparts. These hybrid vehicles are cost effective compared to the non hybrid vehicles. Third one is less dependence of the fossil fuels like petroleum products. A hybrid car is much cleaner and requires less fuel to run, which means fewer emissions and less dependence on the fossil fuels. This in turn also helps to reduce the price of the gasoline in the domestic market. Fourth one is smaller engines. The gasoline engines in hybrids are cars are very usually small, lightweight, and highly efficient as they don't have to power the car alone. Fifth one is automatic start and stop. In hybrid cars, the engine is automatically set off and starts automatically. And the vehicle is idle and starts the accelerator is pressed. When it comes to the disadvantages of the hybrid vehicles, uh, the first one is less power. Hybrid cars have twin powered engines. The gasoline engines, which is primarily power source, is much smaller than what you get in the single engine powered cars. While the electric motor isn't as powerful either, it can be expensive. The biggest drawback of having a hybrid car is that it can burn a hole in your pocket. Hybrid cars are comparatively more expensive than the regular petrol cars and cost more than a standard version. However, the extra amount can be offset with a lower running cost and tax exemptions. Higher maintenance cost. The presence of the dual engine and continuous technological improvements make it difficult for mechanics to repair the car, and the maintenance cost is also higher. It is also difficult to find the mechanic with such expertise. Fourth one is the battery replacement is very pricey. According to the Green Car reports, battery replacement in hybrid cars is currently rare compared to the non-hybrid vehicles. However, if a battery needs to be replaced, it can be get pricey. Pricey means more expensive things. Battery recycling is expensive. However, the main issue with recycling lies in the recycling cost. Although the lithium is 100% recyclable, extracting it costs too much and sometimes economic also. Gain may not adequately justify the effort put into the recycling process. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and do comment. Thank you.